Wow! Crane machines come in all shapes and sizes. Your prize is out of this world. A shooting star. 2 of them. One for Gugu Gaga, the other for Pinky. The best part? They're candy. Take a bite. You are what you eat, so I guess that makes you sweet. I guess they really took that to heart. They're cakes. Let's taste test to make sure. Yep, they're real cakes. Chocolate. I was expecting tuxedo cake. Hey, what's that? Either you're the king of Mardi Gras or Gugu's making a comeback. But you're so small now, and it's such a big world. Don't worry, Thumbelina. We'll make you some new accommodations. Ah, marshmallows, the perfect building material. Don't get tempted. We can even use the bowl as a base. Cut a hole in the side. We're making you an igloo. We want a doorway, so slice a plastic cup in half. Pour on some clear glue and stick on the marshmallows. The best kind of igloo, the kind that doesn't melt. Step inside. It's fully furnished. Emphasis on the fur. What else is inside the cake? A phone, and it's fully paid for? And it's always charged. No? Well, still, free phone. A chocolate phone that wants us to eat it? Well, I mean, it did ask nicely, so let's dig in. I'm getting hints of marzipan. Or is that fondant? The prizes are nice, but sometimes you just want cake. Especially when it comes with a cream filling. You know, we have napkins and buttons, apparently. Well, push it in the right direction, Red. Wow, we've got a penguin piggy bank. Ramen seasoning packets? Wait, no, it's candy. And they really didn't skimp on the flavor. What else you got? Ooh, a baby penguin. Almost too cute to eat. Hey, I said almost. Wow, it really leaves an impression. This girl will eat anything, even sweet toxic waste. Well, if marketing likes the name, who am I to judge? Especially when it's saving us a ton on air conditioning. Really helps you keep a cool head. But let's heat things up. I guess our friend's out of treats. Good thing we've still got the cake. You know, I heard that milk is brain food, but I never knew that was meant literally. Guess that bottle had some growing up to do. Now there's plenty of room for our penguin pals to fit inside. We've got enough for a penguin pool party. But they're gonna need something to swim around in. Water is so last week, so let's ask our bee friend to whip up some honey. All it takes is some pollen. And soon, we're in the honey. These guys don't mind being in a sticky situation. Just as long as we keep things nice and cool. Maybe those chili jellies can help. Just like Superman. Now why not have a bite? They don't mind. Really, they're very chill. These penguins sure are sweet, but remember, a pinky cake is a terrible thing to waste. I wonder what the flavor is. Cotton candy? Pink velvet? But these days, food's gotta be fun. And all the fancy food is the stuff you make yourself. Meal kits, hot pot, and this brand new toy. Still, it can be hard when everyone wants something different. At least we know they all want cake. We need something that everyone can agree on. Something with a little bit of everything, like a rainbow. Oh, that gives me an idea. Melt some white chocolates. Good thing we brought that tiny microwave for just such an occasion. Didn't I tell you it would come in handy? Add some food coloring. Repeat with all sorts of different colors. Because when it comes to cakes, what beats rainbow cake? Usually the rainbow goes inside, but we want to make an impression. I mean, we sprung for indigo. Everyone forgets indigo. Sure, they say that true beauty's on the inside. So that's where this cake is going, inside their mouths. Shall we nibble your ears? No? Then let's go for the crown. She sure is yummy, but eat around the hidden prizes. Besides, this fountain can be put to better use. Like holding all of our special syrup. It's special because it's a growth elixir. And it's not the only one. We've got a special multiplier. In case you need a bunch of little tubs. And when they're candy dispensing tubs, you do the math. Let's combine these cool tools. Add the candy. And you've got your very own rainbow chocolate fountain. Let it rain bows. Now grab a marshmallow. Ooh, now that's dinner and a show. Or dessert. Either way, let it harden or eat it al dente. In fact, who said you need a marshmallow? Always room for another slice, especially when it's filled with Sprunki toys. They look like all sorts of treats, from donuts to cupcakes. But looks can be deceiving. They're all slime. Still, who needs food when you're having fun? Outside of that whole having to eat to survive thing. Besides, whether it's clay or dough, we've all got a need to knead. Now, how about we do the mashed potato? Remember that tiny tub from a while back? Turns out that they make them in super size. There's room in here for all our Sprunki friends. And then some, like toppings with all the works. Next, we'll need some melted chocolate. What? You saw our microwave? It wouldn't fit. Now just trim a little off the top. Ah, nothing beats fresh squeezed. It's like a mud bath you can eat. Of course, take my advice. Eat around the Sprunkies. Well, that's it, everybody. Parting is such sweet sorrow. Aw, these dumplings are so cute. Of course, noodles come in all shapes and sizes. But when it comes to dough, some of us have a need to knead. Wow, now that's what I call a 1-ton wonton. Well, that just means there's more to squish. Dumplings come in all sorts of shapes and colors. Like transparent, or rainbow, or both, apparently. Either way, it's a jiggly little puff. No relation. Uh-oh, there was a reason he was all tied up. What's gonna happen to his bubbly personality? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Or filled. Aw, these guys grow up, or blow up, so fast, don't they? A lot of our friends are in the mood for dumplings. So you're saying that there's a business for them? Seems like the perfect time to try out our new dumpling vending machine. Gotta love the world of supply and demand. But don't forget, it's what's on the inside that counts. Like our special mechanism. And some mini dumplings wouldn't hurt. Why don't we try the tried and true rainbow model? One in each color. After all, it worked for SpongeBob's pretty patties. Couldn't be easier. Pull the lever and you get a treat. Okay, Sonic. Want to be our first victim? Wontons are nice, but sometimes all you need's a nice gumball. After all, what goes in sometimes comes out with a bang. Especially when it's time to go pop. And there's a special surprise in this bubble. A little bow. A pillowy steamed bun. Aw, it's a baby bow, and it's about to blow. Everything and anything is improved with glitter. Ah, green and gold. Such rich colors. But why don't we go and share the wealth? Cream-filled dumplings? Donuts, maybe. Oh, look. Our platinum bunny wants to help. And nothing beats freshly squeezed. What are we making exactly? A silly goo? A slimy stew? Well, whatever it is, we know that it's going places. It's filling, which means it has to fill something. Ah, funnels. Is there nothing they can't do? Just tie it up nice and tight. And put on a happy face. On the dumpling, of course, but smile if you want to. Either way, congrats on your bouncy baby ball. Ooh, are we searching for buried treasure? Quick, get the sift. There's gold in them thar sand. Even better, we've got a baby bunting dumpling. Always wondered where they came from. Wash it off. In fact, you could use a bath. You know what that means? Bubbles. A loofah won't hurt either. Wow, you're ruby red. Let's hope some witch doesn't make shoes out of him. Wow, a safe. Probably shouldn't show your code on screen. After all, we've got a real treasure inside. It's another dumpling? She doesn't seem too happy. I mean, I guess you've had your fill so far. Don't worry, I know something that'll cheer you up. Our friends have returned to keep you company. Or add some flavor to these dumplings, whichever comes first. We're really on a roll. I wonder what's inside. Blocks! Well, what'd you expect? Dumplings? Come on, we always keep our audiences guessing. Besides, we can still use them to make a dumpling. I think. Better crank out the magic wand. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Ha! Voila! A parfait dumpling! Wow! A dumpling Happy Meal! And what speedy delivery! Is that a slice of cheese? Well, it sure is stretchy! Well, when life gives you cheese, make cheeseburgers. And we like our buns nice and squishy, just like our dumplings. Any takers? Oh, Derpy's always here to help. Especially when it comes with a free lunch. Wait, the napkin! Yes, it looks like inspiration strikes! Cut it into a circle, fold like a fan, and run a needle and thread through it. Stuff it up with some, well, stuffing, and pull that thread. No one's, not even dumplings, complete without a smile. You can never have too much fun, Squish. And you can never have enough dumplings. Gotta love when they come in blind bag form. Oh, it looks like we've got a set of wrappers. I guess that means there's some assembly required. I wonder if we get to supply our own filling. Well, guess that makes it easy to customize. You know the drill. Put on a happy face. But let's mix things up with a little wink. Always remember, the best dumplings are made with love.